welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this helmet right here. It's for skateboards, but let's go ahead and get right into this.
Mama, is it mine?
It can be all of your guys' to share. Both you boys to share. So as you can see, it has this little adjustable strap right here.
Mine.
And it's all cushioned.
No, I am.
So this goes right here so that it won't hurt your chin. You can just take this off right there, and it is adjustable right here as well. It has all these cushion pads in the inside. This is what it looks like. It does come with all these different stickers that you can decorate it and these markers. Hold on.
I'll get it on there.
So it has like these NASA stickers, dinosaur stickers.
I want the dinosaur stickers.
This is where you can make your own like little drawing to put on there. So it has a couple of the blank ones that you'll actually use these on it. Go on that one.
I want to do green.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. Since my boys are going to be sharing it, I put both their names on it, and then I put Carr for our last name. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.